Now we will discuss about the activity to study the structure of various fibers. Activity to study the structure of various. Now procedure. Step first, place the fiber on a glass slide. Place the fiber on a firstly material required. Fibers of cotton, silk, wool, nylon and polyester. So in this activity we have required cotton, silk, wool, nylon and polyester fiber. Now procedure. Step first, firstly place the fiber on a glass. Place fiber on a glass slide and observe them with the help of magnifying glass or microscope. Suppose this is a magnifying glass, this is a fiber. Now we placed this magnifying glass on this fiber and we observe that just like this, we place this magnifying glass on fiber. This is a fiber which is outside the magnifying glass, and from magnifying glass we observe that the fiber has been magnified, and we observe different observations in this fiber. Sometimes the fibers will be folded or uneven, sometimes it is straight, even and very fine, and sometimes it become porous. So we observe different observation by this magnifying glass, and now we recorded the observation and listed in tabular form. Second point, record the observation. Record the observations. And here is observation table, and there is 3 column in observation table. First column is for fiber, and second for structure of fiber, and third one for smooth or rough to touch. Now we make a line, or we draw a line from. Now we observe that first for cotton. When we observe cotton from magnifying glass or microscope, we observe that it is very short, uneven, folded and porous fiber. So we can say that on observing by magnifying glass or microscope, we observe that cotton fiber is very short, uneven, folded and porous. So we can say that it is very rough to touch, or we can say that if we touch the fibers of cotton, we feel very rough. Now for second fiber, when we observe wool from magnifying glass, we observe same condition which we have discussed for cotton. It means wool fiber also short, uneven, folded and porous. So we can say that wool fiber also very rough to touch. Now we increase line. Now for third fiber, that is silk fiber. When we observe silk fiber from microscope or magnifying glass, we observe that they are very long, just opposite to short, even, just opposite to uneven, straight, not folded, it means just opposite to folded, and very fine structure. So we can say that it is very smooth to touch. So we can say that silk fibers also very smooth to touch. And now for next fiber, fourth, that is nylon fiber. We find that same condition as we discussed before, that is very long as above. We can say that same condition as above, very long, even and straight and fine structure. So we can say that nylon fiber also very smooth. And last observation for polyester fiber. And for polyester, we observe that it is also very long, even and straight and fine structure. So we can say that polyester fiber also very smooth. So by this activity we have proved that cotton and wool fiber are very rough to touch, and silk, nylon, polyester, etc. fiber are very smooth to touch because they have long, even, straight and fine structure. But the cotton and wool fiber have short, uneven, folded and porous structure, so they become very rough.